What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Nykaa haul. So I used to post a lot of Nykaa hauls last year back to back and I took a mini break, thank God. But I'm back with another one after a while. But today there's a twist. All the products are under 100 rupees and I've also tried most of these products and they're really good. I'm really excited for today's video. I hope you guys are just as excited as me. So let's just get started. Okay, so let's get started with body products. So the first product that I picked up is a shower gel. So this is by Plunge and this is their Pina Colada body wash. Now this smells like a pina colada. It smells really good. And it's a really good body wash. When you take a shower, the aroma fills the whole bathroom, which is obviously a really good thing. It makes you also smell really nice, lathers really well, and it's just a good body wash in general. I picked up another body wash. This is by Lux. I have never really used Lux products as such. Like when I go to my nanny's place, I use the Lux soaps, but never body wash. So I thought I should pick this up. This is for 99 rupees, and I picked up the Jasmine and almond oil variant, which is, I don't really like jasmine, but I really like the way this one smells. You can't really smell the jasmine. Now this body wash is very thick and creamy and luxurious. It lathers like crazy, especially when you use it with a loofah. A loofah, by the way, came free with this. So it's a really good product actually for 99 rupees. And let's just compare the ml. This is 235 ml and this is 200 grams. Grams or ml alag hota hai na? This is 9.99, this is 105. So thoda sa there's a difference for sure. So you can definitely go for the Lux one and you get a free loofah as well. I also got a soap. This is from Nykaa and I got the tea tree and aloe vera bathing bar. I have actually used the pink soap before. I do like to shuffle between a body wash and a soap, and this smells very herbally because tea tree hair, so I thought this would be really good for my back acne. I have a lot of acne these days on my back, so I thought this should help me with that. It's just a very easy soap. When you use this, after you wash it off, it's gonna make your skin feel squeaky clean, whereas those body washes will leave kind of like a moisturizing film on your skin. I think that's the main difference between this soap and the body washes, so you can pick and choose according to what you like. Moving on to hair care products, we do have quite a few hair care products. The first one is this Merit VCO's coconut oil. I did not know that they sell it in this really cute travel friendly packaging. I usually get the big bottle and this is for I think 110 rupees, so a little bit over the budget, but I got it on a sale, so I am counting it as a part of this video because it's just such a good product. I've used this for over 5 years and this is what has helped me make my hair what it is today. Like, it used to be so bad back in the day because I used to straighten my hair almost every single day when I was in school. So this saved my life, my hair. I'm being dramatic, but yeah, it's a really good coconut oil. It's extra virgin coconut oil, cold pressed. You have to check it out in case you haven't, and it's the perfect opportunity. It's only for 110 rupees. You can try it out. If you like it, you can get the big bottle. So Beach May, there was a lot of hype about this Dream Lens range from L'Oreal and I really wanted to try it out, so I picked it up and I got their conditioner. I think this is for 99 rupees and I've completely used it up. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I love actually L'Oreal conditioners. All of them are really good. This made my hair very soft and detangled it instantly. I will say it is a pretty good range. I mean, I haven't tried obviously everything from the Dream Lens ka range, only the conditioner, but I will give the conditioner a thumbs up. So for old time's sake, I had to pick up this L'Oreal Paris's 6 Oil Nourishing Shampoo. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I used to use when I was in college and I was obsessed with it. If you have dry hair, you should try this product out. I don't think these products are paraben and sulfate free, which is why I don't use them anymore. But if you don't care about that kind of stuff, you can try this out. This was for 65 rupees, which is pretty good for a shampoo, and you need very little of this if you're shampooing your non-oily hair, like just normal hair धो रहे हो तो एकदम थोड़ा you need, because it's gonna lather up like crazy, and this is very moisturizing. So I will not recommend using this when you've already oiled your hair, because it's gonna get a little bit difficult to get rid of the shampoo. But in general, such a good range. I did use this just to refresh my memory, and I love it just as much. I have taped it back so that I can use this again when I'm traveling. It's a good size, you know, so I'm saving it for when I travel. We have one more shampoo. This is a new shampoo. This is by Vadi, and this is their lavender shampoo with rosemary extract. I have not used this shampoo. It is for 85 rupees. I am actually really curious to know how this works. I have liked so far all the Vadi products that I've tried, and they're very inexpensive. So I am very pumped about this product. The ingredients look very promising. So it has lavender extracts, coconut, rosemary, as I mentioned earlier, pure sage extract, organic honey, calendula extract, water. So the ingredients are very clean, which is amazing, because usually when you read shampoo के ingredients, you're like, what are these chemicals, right? I'm sure थोड़े बहुत preservatives और वो सब होंगे, but the key ingredients sound pretty good. I will keep you guys updated on this product for sure. We have a serum from Streaks. This is for 55 rupees. Again, such a good travel product. I have used Streaks serums in the past, and they're really good. I feel like they do such a good job at making their serum. Should we try some right now? Just taking a few drops. Smells so nice. So right off the bat, smells great. Also, another observation is that it's not sticky at all, which is a very good thing, because usually serums work well when your hair is damp, but when you use them on dry hair, sometimes it weighs it down. It did not do that. Feels really nice and detangled, and I think shiny. मुझे लगा shiny लग रहे थे. So it's a good product if you don't want to spend too much money, and I feel like this will last you forever, because you use बहुत little serum, like you need only a few drops. So if you don't want to spend too much money, if you want to save your buck, get this. Last hair care product is from Himalaya. Again, this is for like old time's sake. I used to use this. This is the anti-dandruff hair cream, and this actually, I remember, used to do such a good job at helping me with my dandruff. I am going to use this again just to see if it still works for my hair. I don't know why I stopped using it. It's such a good product. It's for 95 rupees. So essentially, you're supposed to use this on your scalp and let it stay like a hair mask, and then wash it off, shampoo it off, whatever you want to do with it. It's a good product. It's actually a really good product. It has tea tree oil and tulsi in it. So yeah, if you have dandruff, check it out. I actually have some random hair products. So the first one is this Streaks shampoo hair color. So I was really intrigued, and I was so confused about what it was. So I read a little bit about it. From what I've understood is that it's a shampoo that is supposed to use on your hair, and it's gonna color your hair. I don't think it's gonna last for a super long time, but even if it's like temporary, it's so smart, right? If you have like roots growing out, or if you have just a few white hair, if this works, it's such a good product. And this is for 20 rupees only. It's supposed to work within 5 minutes and give you gray coverage, 100% gray coverage, no ammonia. I think it's worth giving a shot for sure. I just thought I would buy it and mention it. I don't have any like white hair for me to try. I will give it to someone who can actually use it. Similarly, I also got one from Garnier. This is for men, and this is the same thing, shampoo based hair color, no ammonia, coffee extracts, argan oil, 100% gray coverage, 5 weeks long lasting. So this is supposed to last you for 5 weeks, which is pretty good. I got the shade dark brown. I love this concept. This is so cool. I'm gonna ask someone to try it out, and if it's good, I'll keep you guys updated. Some body lotion. So I got this one from Vadi again, and this is their rose extract moisturizing lotion, rich and velvety. So this straight up smells like Johnson & Johnson ka jo lotion aata tha wo, and it's very nice. Like it's a medium weight, like it's not super heavy, it's not super like lightweight gel type, it's in the middle. Like it's a very nice, perfect for the Mumbai humidity. Like you don't want something that's very heavy right now because it's so humid. So this is perfect. I actually really enjoy it. Also, I can't really smell the rose. It's very faint, which is perfect. I personally don't really like the smell of rose. So I would give this product a thumbs up. This is for 95 rupees, which is very good for a moisturizer, and I like it. Like it doesn't smell cheap, it's very subtle, does its job, and that's that. We have this moisturizer from Lakme. It says it's for all skin types. It's their peach milk, and I'm just a little bit confused whether this is supposed to be used on the face or the whole body. The smell is a very typical Lakme smell. Like it's a very nostalgic Lakme smell. It's nice. I don't mind the smell at all. I remember when I used to use Lakme moisturizers on my face pehle, the old ones I'm talking about, like years and years ago, they would get like very oily and almost like clog my pores, whereas this one doesn't do that. Like it absorbs into your skin and it just feels nice. Like it's not a layer on top of your skin, it's not oily and greasy. So that's a good thing. I will say that you can use this on your body also if it's meant to be on your face. Good on the face also, but really good on the body also. It's a very good travel size. Like I wouldn't use this for a day-to-day basis because this would literally get over in a week, because I like to lather my entire body. But as a travel size, it's really good. Ye video ke liye research karte waqt I came across so many products that are such like nostalgic products that we used to use years ago but don't really use anymore. So I picked up a few along the way, as you saw already. This is one of them. I got the Pond's moisturizing cold cream. इसका कुछ use नहीं आने वाला है मुझे अभी, at least for a few months, but oh my god, the smell, it's so nice. I'm gonna use it for sure during the winters. This is so nice. How much is this for? 89 rupees. Pretty good. And you know, like if you've used this is intense. So you just need a little bit. You can apply it on your knees and elbows and it's gonna keep it moisturized for a while. I have some face washes from Lakme. Both of these are not under 100 rupees. They're slightly ऊपर नीचे, like 115 and 120, but मुझे sale पे मिल गए थे and they're really good, so I thought I would mention them. The first one is the Blush and Glow face wash, and this is in the berry smash flavor. I love it. Like it smells so good. It's a great face wash. I actually did buy quite a few face washes for this video, didn't end up liking them, so no point showing them now. So I thought I would show this one. The second one also I quite like. If you have dry skin, you will really like this because it's a cleansing milk. So essentially it feels like you're washing your face with a moisturizer, like a thin moisturizer almost. I don't love the feeling necessarily because I have oily skin, you know, but I can imagine like if you have dry skin you would love this. Now for makeup, I have only 3 products. Again, I bought a lot of makeup products under 100 rupees. Didn't necessarily love them, so no point sharing them, but I did like these, so I'm gonna share it with you. The first one are these Swiss Beauty eyelashes. These eyelashes are amazing. I actually got so many of those. अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही बचा है because I used all the other ones. The one that I really like is Diego. This is dramatic. It's very similar to the pair of lashes that I'm wearing right now, and these are for like 99 rupees. And having said that, usually when I end up buying really cheap eyelashes, I have to throw them out because the band is very thin, it's very cheap in quality, and you can only use them for a few times. But that's not the case with these. These you can keep reusing. They're very well made. Like I don't know what and how they were able to make them at such a cheap price. They're cruelty free lashes, premium quality, which I agree. Definitely check these out. These are amazing. Then I have this Inside Beauty ka concealer. I was a little bit skeptical about buying this because of how cheap it was, but I think I saw Mansi using this. अगर मानसी ने यूज नहीं किया, I'm so sorry for bringing you into this video, but I'm pretty sure she was using this concealer and I thought I would buy it. I have used it today also. Blends like a dream. Coverage, I would say medium coverage. This is a little bit light on me, but that's on me. I picked the wrong shade, but it's a really good concealer. Like how it blends well, the coverage is great and very like beautiful finish, I will say that. Two lip products I have. The first one is by Miss Claire, but it's not their soft matte lip cream. I have this beautiful gloss. It does have the Miss Claire smell. This is what the gloss looks like. It's a very good gloss, not sticky. Just the perfect amount of glossiness. Also, this does not have flakes of glitter in it, which I hate about glosses. It's just like a sheer sheen, actually that's the perfect word. And I got like an orangey sort of a color because I like to wear a lot of warm colors, so this would complement like my makeup look really well. Then we have this Blue Heavens Elegance Matte Lip Color. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now, also on my lips. कौन सा color है ये? 11. This is the shade 11, and what a lipstick. I've actually spoken about this in the past also, and I was just going through my drawers like figuring out what all do I have, and I found this and I can't put it down. It's so good. One coat is enough to like cover my lips. The shade is also beautiful. Why spend money on like these expensive lipsticks when you can get one for 99 rupees, and it also lasts a pretty long time, like a decent time I would say. So I blacked out on the face mask section, so let's just get started. First one I got is from Garnier. This is the Black Serum Mask in Pure Charcoal. This is for pore tightening and hydration. Now I remember using one sheet mask from Garnier. It was like a green color ka packaging. I will find it and I will repurchase it, and I was mind blown at that sheet mask. It made my skin so plump, and I mean, look, sheet masks do a great job for me personally right before like for skin prep. Sorry, that sentence made no sense. I meant that sheet masks work well for me right before doing my makeup. I don't usually wear sheet masks raat ko sone se pehle, you know, to plump my skin, because I have already oily skin, you know, so I usually use these right before makeup. But this Garnier sheet mask just made a difference in my skin. It was like skincare rather than it being skin prep for makeup, if that makes sense. So I was really impressed by Garnier sheet mask, so I thought I have to pick it up. This is for 99 rupees. This I picked up, and I also stocked up on my under eye patches. This one though I've used quite a lot of times. This is the Hydra Balm Eye Serum Mask. It's supposed to have like a cooling effect underneath your eyes, and it really does. It's amazing. I love this one. I've recommended this to you guys quite a few times. I also picked up this one. This is the green variant of this. The name is the same, dono product ka. This is for lines, under eye lines and smoothing. Then obviously we have the classic Face Shop ka blueberry sheet mask. This is like my all-time go-to, so obviously have to mention it. Then I got some from Lakme. This one is again another one of my favorites, the strawberry one from Lakme. It's so good. It smells divine, like so good. Then these are new ones. I have never tried these. This is for plumping from Lakme, and then this is the avocado one for nourishing. These actually feel very thick. Usually like sheet mask ke packets are like very like thin, and you feel like it's like a piece of paper. These are thick, so I'm excited to try these out. This says this has 15x moisturizing serum. This is for firm and youthful skin. This has vitamin A and tomato extract. Ye wala bhi bahut thick hai. Oh, it says that it's a duo sheet mask. So is it like double, like thickness wise? I got this nose strip. I got two of these. Abhi ek hi bacha hai. This is from Tony Moly, and this is their nose pore nose strip. It's for 50 rupees. It's a really good nose strip, I would say. Pretty above average, because a lot of the times nose strips don't do much. You know what I mean? And also this one is not harsh. You know, a lot of times when you're trying to rip it off, it hurts. This one doesn't hurt as bad. This one hurts. This is from Hip Hop. This is their cleansing charcoal nose strips. This one hurts, but again it does a good job at removing your blackhead. So I feel like the pain is worth it in the end. So I thought I would pick these one up as well, because I had run out of mine. Pura box मैंने खत्म कर दिया था. Also restocked on these Hip Hop facial wax strips. I've spoken about these also in the past. You can use these to remove your upper lip and your eyebrow. If you have sensitive facial skin, don't use it. I personally don't feel comfortable using it on my skin. I only use it for my eyebrows and mainly my upper lip. I'm not the biggest fan of like shaving my upper lips, because I feel like sab baal nahi nikalte. So this waxing situation is the best, and it doesn't like burn my skin. So definitely do like a patch test. Make sure that it isn't like harming your skin, obviously. And then I have this O3 face mask. This is like a small pod that you get. I think this is great for traveling, but for you to like use every time, probably not, because it's for 100 rupees. But I will say it's a really good face mask. But again, for like every time use 100 rupees एक ही बार में, probably not. But if you're like traveling, I think it's such a good idea to like slip this into your bag and then you can use it when you're on your trip instead of carrying like an entire tub. We're almost done with the video. We have some random products left, so we're gonna discuss those. The first one is this Mamaearth bamboo based wipes. So these are wet wipes. I don't buy and support wet wipes anymore, but you just need wet wipes sometimes. Like when you're traveling, especially in the car, I wanted to have one pouch of wet wipes in my car, because spill ho jata hai kabhi kuch, ya you don't have the access to wash your hands, right? And especially with COVID, I want to be able to use a wet wipe, let's just say that, okay? But I was not willing to buy something that wasn't like eco-friendly. Now these are organic and they are bamboo based, so it makes me feel a little bit better about using these, and I will obviously be using these also very mindfully. I just wanted to show you guys these because if you need to use wet wipes, if you're in a circumstance where it would make your life more convenient, maybe pick these up instead of like the regular ones, I guess. I think if you have like children, like small babies, wet wipes I can imagine must be like a must have, so maybe you can try these out. Then we have these Beko bamboo tissue napkins. So these came, like I got like a tissue box variant also, and henceforward those are the only kind of tissues that I'm going to be buying, because they are made of bamboo and they're much better for the environment. These are paper napkins. They're very thick, so I'm gonna save these for like a trip or something like this, because I don't need to use these at home. But they're very good quality. Even the tissue paper, the tissue box that I use, which I completely ran out of, by the way, keep in mind I bought all of these products like 2.5 months ago, because I wanted to like use these products and, you know, form an opinion about them, which is why 2.5 महीने में मैंने वो पूरा box खत्म कर दिया. But ये मैंने संभाल के रखा था because I don't need to use these. So let me just read these. These are fragrance free, paraben free, non-GMO, project verified, hypoallergenic, non-chlorine, bleach free. Yeah, so they're just good for the environment, better for the environment, let's just say that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I'm going to be linking all of these products in the description box below. Most of them I've tried, as you saw in the video, but let me know what you thought in the comments down below about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.